Whenever the user execute, the low value and a high value automatically populated. See, I have to enter manually. We don't need to enter the manually. Whenever the user execute, automatically it has to populate. So that's our requirement. How we are going to provide default values to the inputs? Through initialization event. Initialization is the event where we can provide default values to the input. Initialization, select option name is EBLN. Every select option having parameters. That is, one is sign, one is option, one is low, one is high. How I can know these four things is available in the select option means SAP is providing standard structure for select option. What are all the parameters available in the select option? That name is the structure name is RSDS Go to the data dictionary, click on the data type radio button, enter this name, click on display. These are the four parameters are available in the select options. So now, yes, EBLN. If you press Control plus space bar, whatever the option, whatever the parameters are available in the select option, everything will be visible. Sign equal to I means include. I want to include the values. I want to add the values into the input. So that's the reason I am giving I means include. Okay. Yes, EBLN. Now I want to give an option. Option means if you pass only low value to the select options, option is EQ. Okay. If you pass low value and high value, option is BT. We will come to know that. Yes, EBLN. Control plus space bar. We have to pass a low value. Firstly, we have to check the table. Go to EKKO table. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus F10 for selection screen. F8 for getting the data. Can copy any data. Control C. And you can enter. You can paste it. Now we are going to append to select option. Because how it can take, how it will append, we'll see in the debugging mode. We'll set a breakpoint here. Whenever I will execute, breakpoint will trigger. It will come into the debugger section. Go to the desktop 3. Double click on yes, EBLN. We'll understand this. Select option will consider as a with header line. With header line means the name of the internal table and the name of a work area should be same. So that's the reason this how I can know particular thing is a work area and particular thing is the internal table means see this tab button, this tab is there, right? This is the work area and this bracket is the internal table. How I can know? If you double click on this, work area should have every field, so it contains the data. We'll have in that work area we have sign option low high. So whenever I will press F5, the sign is execute. So we are giving I as include, option as EQ because we are passing only single value, low value we are passing only low value. So that's the reason whatever the data we have, whatever the inputs we have passed, everything will be visible. So, and now whenever we will get automatically the low value will be coming. And now I am passing a range of values. Option is BT. I am passing and high value also. Yes, EBLN high. Well, you can pass any high value in between the values. You can get the data. Yes. Now I can activate my program, and again I can see in the debugging mode how it can fetch the data. Double click on the select options, go to desktop 3, and you will get all the data which we pass the initialization. Press on F5. Option is BT. We are passing low value and high value. What is the low value? What is high value? Whenever we execute it, automatically low value and high value gets populated.